Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Got a little project here of a little, do-it-yourself hack here to help me with the walk-behind string trimmer. So let me see if I get things set up here and we'll get at it. All right, so the string trimmer, walk-behind string trimmer takes these heavy-duty plastic, nylon, whatever they are, strings, and they got to lock in there. Well, there's no place on the unit to keep these, so I can try sticking them in my back pocket, but they have a habit of popping out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little holder here for them. And so I got the pieces there. These I did not cut these for this. These are out of all the pieces I had laying around. These were just happened to work the right size. So I don't throw away pieces when I have small pieces left over. So let me get this open up here and start by putting a cap on the end of this one here. Wipe off the excess glue so it doesn't drip on my thing here. Now, so I could just take this like this, zip tie it to the handle of the walk-behind trimmer. But the problem is, when I stick these down in there, it would stick out a little bit where I can pull it out. As it vibrates around, it would vibrate out and go flying. So I need something to secure it as that thing's shaking and vibrating, and as I'm moving it up and down and doing stuff with it. So let me get another one here set up here. All right, now so to attach the top here, attach the top to this, what I'm going to do is I got a slip-on with a female thread and a slip-on with a male thread that I can just screw it on so it doesn't, the things don't come out. So let me get these put on. I'm going to put the, I'm trying to think which way is going to work best here. It really doesn't matter because this I can feed this, either one I'm going to feed over the edge. So I'm going to put this one on this one here. And I do not want it running down inside, cause problems down there later on. Normally if I'm running water through whatever, I'm not going to worry about that, but I want to get this stuff out of the inside on this. There's a little bit in there. There we go. Get this lid on tight. So now I can take these here and go ahead and stick my spares down in here. And to put this on here, I just put it on and then just tighten it up here a little bit. I just put it on snug enough where it'll won't go on. Now I could put Teflon tape on it, but actually I'm going to go ahead and put Teflon tape on. I thought I might be able to get away without it, but the way this is acting up, I better put a little Teflon tape on there, so even if it does get tightened too tight, it will come off easier by hand and the Teflon tape won't let it come off vibrating. It will let it come off and not bind up from being on there tension wise. See, it's tighter now than it was before, but I can undo it. So let's go outside and put this on. Okay, so I was using it out here, and as you can see, I got to walk all the way in the shop to get more string for it. And so I don't have to walk back every time a string breaks or come off, especially if I'm doing the property over there across the street, the 5 acres over there, doing the fence line on it. That's a long walk. So we're going to go over here and we're going to attach it to it. Ooh. All right, so on the handle here, let me pull this out into the, I can get a little more light on it. So on the handle here, there's I'm looking at it. I do not want to put it up here. I don't want to have it over here where it's going to interfere with the pull start. So I'm going to put it over here on this side over here. So let me set this up with the stand on it so we can get it to work right. All right, so I want to put it over here. I want to try to get it in an area where it's going to work the best. And I think having this cap just below the bend here, and I can zip tie this in place. And with this piece here, so what it does, it kind of canters it at just a little angle, so this is free to be able to get in here and turn it. And it's not going, and the edges here aren't going to catch on that. So I think this is going to be the good way to do it here. So let me, yeah, just like that. All right, so. Now I got this other the kill switch cable running under there. I don't want to crimp it, so I'll go between it and the handle here. I'll go ahead and wrap this around a couple times so I get a good grip on it here. Okay, so. Okay, now let me put the one on down here. And now I'm going to put one in the middle just for good measure. Let's just snug on there, and I will cut this off. All right, there we go. And so now I have extra strings here with me that I can just open this up. There they are, and I can just pull one out and put that back on. Now what so happens is, yeah, I need to put one on. go. Okay, so it's on there and it's ready to go. While I'm checking stuff, let me make sure I got plenty of gas here. Yeah, I got enough for another half hour or so. All right, so that's it. That's a quick little way to take some scraps around the property here and make something that's going to save me time where I'm not having to walk back to the shop to get something. All right, take care and I'll see you around.